Good afternoon. Today is day 15 of the 30-day content challenge. And the prompt for today is to share a few of the investments I've made that helped me along the journey. Courses, mentors, coaching, books, etc. And to tell you the truth, I've been involved in a lot of multi-level stuff from Amway to Vima, and tried different things, and I never had really the mentors to help me do it, to do a good job of setting up a business. And I was never had the temperament to hit up on people that I know and whatnot. So I pretty much failed. I did, for a long time, I followed a guy named Franco Gonzalez. And Franco is still prominent in the online multi-level business. And some of his courses, I never really did well in them, but I did learn a lot in them. And I struggled throughout all of this. And basically, when I got to the Home Business Academy, I think that's when I really started to see people willing to come alongside and help you one-on-one with groups, to take an interest in my success as well as their own. And it was kind of a win-win situation. And that's one thing that I value with this company is the factor that they want us to be successful as well as themselves. And I think that is something that's kind of unusual in a big way in what I've observed over the years. And I've done a lot of things over the years, and a lot of it was my fault. I didn't push it hard enough to try hard enough, those kinds of things. I feel that maybe I should have been more tenacious about it, but I had a lot of things going for a lot of years. I farmed quite a bit. I had another business going. I had kids growing up. I had those kinds of things in my life that kind of took away from the fact that I just didn't put a business like this in number one position. Maybe that's what's happening now. I know that I'm a teacher as a second career, and I had a teacher credential in 1970, and I never went into teaching. I went into the engineering business, and then I went into farming, and I really didn't think I was that good a teacher until I was 52 years old, and I got back in teaching at a juvenile hall, and I found out that I love teaching, and I love kids, and I love teaching kids. So that is where I am still, and I'm reluctant to stop at 21 years later. And but I'm looking at this business here as something that I can go into during retirement and still keep busy and active in a lot of ways. And I love the people I've met, and I love the mentors that are in this organization, and I really enjoy what I'm doing now. So I hope to do better. And this is another little fish hook that I'm putting out. Thank you for that, and have a good evening.